Okay, well, there's no spark. So, I'm going to shine this up a little bit. My limited knowledge says you have to have spark to ignite the gas. Alright. One more time, for goodness sakes. That should do her.